Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will explore two concepts, data types and data structures. Data types tells us nature or a type of data, whereas data structures show us how collection of this data are stored together. Let's deep dive into data types. Here, the flag is equal to true is boolean variable. Number and ranks both are integer variable. Price is equal to 4.60. It's a float variable, or we can say it's a decimal variable. And C is equal to A. It's a character variable. So a data type tells us the type of variable, whether it's float or integer. Because it tells us the type, it indirectly gives us its size. Typically in Python, integer variables are 4 bytes, float are 8 bytes, character are 1 byte and boolean are also 1 byte. And here in one variable, you can see we are storing only single value. So if we have 4 marks, then we need to create 4 variables of type integer. Here a data structure helps us to store the data. We have many data structures, and that is what this series is about. You will learn various data structures, and also you will learn how to choose the right data structure based on your problem statement. Coming back to our example, we can store marks as a list or array, or we can organize them in the table with some additional columns like student roll number, student's name, or we can store it in the key value pair or dictionary format. There are also more advanced data structures like graph, trees, queues and stacks. Let's explore each of them step by step. See you in the next video. Keep watching and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch the entire series.